Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again. I'm your girl, Khadijat Ahmad. If you are seeing me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Guys, let's start this Asoke together. And I have here this edge control to control my edges, as you can see very well. I have those stubborn edges that refuse to slip down. I use the edges to control it. Yeah, anytime you want to tie your head wrap, always remember to control your edges. Yeah, to make your hair tie to come out beauty. Look at, don't always remember to fold your 3 inches in whenever you want to tie your hair tie. The measurement of this hair tie is 50-50. I place it through the back. Look at the way I bring the two hands front and I cross it there. Yes, yes, I'm arranging it. You make sure you arrange your head wrap whenever you want to tie it. Yes, I make that V. I make that place to form a V. Yes, I'm twisting one of the hand. Just watch. Yes, look at. I twist it. Yeah, and I'm going to secure the excess with pin there. But look at where I'm going to use pin to hold it down. The excess down there. Yes, it's very simple and unique. Yeah, make sure you secure it very well so that when you are dancing or you are walking, it will not fall off from your head. Look at, yes, I adjust. Look at the way I am going to style this one also. Yes, look at, yeah, I'll just roll it. See, it's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. Look at, just roll down one. And I'm going to use pin to secure the hand there, the SS. I secure it. Look at, yes, make sure you use pin to secure it very well. And whenever you are securing your head wrap, always be careful so that you will not pierce your hand. I did the same thing here. Yes, I hold it down with pin. So simple and it fits. You don't need to stress yourself looking for who you tie your head wrap when you are in a state where you don't have anybody around. No stylist, nobody to style your head wrap for you. Can did it yourself. You can zoom the camera so that you can see it well. Yes, I put that side in and I'm going to hold it down with pin. You just need to be creative. Look at it. Very easy, simple to tie. Yeah, it will not give you any stress and it fits. Look at it. You arrange it to your own satisfaction. Yeah, you just need to be creative. Look at, very simple. Push it back for beauty. Yeah, if you use edge control to control your edges before tying the hair tie, you will see the beauty. By the way, I'm loving myself. Look at me. Don't mind this woman. So simple to tie. I love it. Yes, here this is the second one. This one, the measurement is 30-70. Yeah, I'm showing you how to pick your pleat. Don't stress yourself too much when you pick two. Use your ear to secure the other side so that you can walk the other side. Look at it. I use my ear to secure it and I bring this one out again to arrange the pleat. Look at it. Just pick any amount of pleat you can walk on. Yeah, don't stress yourself so that your hand will not pain you too much because it's not easy to tie on yourself. Look at, yeah, I only pick two pleats and I make sure that I arrange it well. Look at, I cross it, the short one goes up while the long one come down. Yes, look at, when you remember short up, you know that the short one have to go up and the long one have to come down. Look at it. Yeah, I'm going to pick pleats. I'm going to pick one more pleat there. Yes, always remember when you want to pick your pleat, pick from the center as a learner. Yes, look at it. You arrange your pleat. Yes, arrange it very well. When you tie yourself head wrap sometime, people will even be asking you who tie your head. By the time you told them that you tie it yourself, they won't believe. Look at. Yeah, always remember to trace your 2 inches. Yeah, I'll take the 70% up and I trace my 2 inches. Yes, so that your head wrap will be smooth. You trace that 2 inches you fold. Yes, look at it. See, I open the two lap. Yes, I open the two lap and I'm going to knot it. Look at the way I open it. And I trace that side. I trace the 2%. The 2 inches. Sorry, I folded in. It was that side I'll hold to knot. Yes, look at. I knot it twice. Look at it. I knot it very well and I feel it on my head. Yeah, just watch the way I am going to pack the pleat. Yes, the way I fold it in, then I'll begin to take my pleat. I push it front. Yes, to make sure that any pleat you are picking again should be on top of your last base. Yes, look at. Very simple. I said it's not easy to tie on your head, but you just need to give it a try. Look at. I pick, I arrange, I pick and arrange. Yes, I pick and arrange. Look at it. The way I'm pushing that one up and I'll hold the excess. Yes, and I'm going to secure the excess there. Yes, I'm going to secure the excess. Look at. I'll use pin to secure the excess. It's very simple and it's not hard to tie. And do it yourself. Look at it. See the back. Very easy and simple. Make sure that I secure it very well to avoid any story. Yes, look at. Secure it. I still pack. Look at it. Look at. I begin to work on the front. Adjust and adjust. You hold the excess there and pin it down. Yeah. Just have to be creative. Try to do something. I push it back for beauty. Look at it. No one you even know that you tie it yourself. Yeah, look at. So simple and easy to tie. Yes. Please, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, stay tuned, comment, encourage me and subscribe to my channel. Yes. Look at. If you like more video like this, turn on your notification so that whenever I upload, you'll be the first person to see.